this video, we will show you how to reset Epson WP4015, 4025 and 4095. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, you need to disable all of your antivirus, include Windows real-time protection and the tamper protection if you are using Windows 10. Then you can download this resetter. We put link into description. Just click link in there, and after downloaded, you can right click in the file and choose extract all. Now you can open the resetter folder, double click in adjustment programs. You can accept the license. You can select model name. This is for 3 printer, 4015, 4025 and 4095. You can select suitable with your printers. Then choose particular adjustment mode. Then select maintenance bug counter and click OK. And click button check in here. After that, you can click button cleaning. Then the last step, you can click finish. And you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer. That's all.